So virtual assistants are often independent contractors. So you work with one or more clients, you work at your own time, you work on your own terms, and you have unlimited earning potential.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, so independent contractor cons. So distractions, no paid vacations, no benefits, constantly finding clients. Why distraction? You can really do anything talaga. Focus ako. So yun yung mga distractions. So no paid vacation. So unlike sa local job, meron kayong mga sick leave, saka vacation leave. So here, pag virtual assistant ka, you don't have one. So maswerte ka pag may client na nagbigay sa'yo, no? May client na nagbibigay ng gano'n. No benefits. We don't have benefits here. Wala kang SSS dito. Wala kang pag-ibig. So wala kang benefits. So pero guys, pwede pa rin kayong maghulog ng sarili nyong benefits. 500 pesos maghulog kayo sa mga SSS, sa mga pag-ibig, PhilHealth, 150 yata o 300. Kapag kumikita na kayo ng mas mataas, kahit VA tayo, pwede tayo magbayad voluntarily. So, constantly finding clients. Isa sa mga cons to ng mga pagiging VA. So, lagi ka naghahanap ng client. Locally employed ka, feeling mo secured ka. 'Di ba? As long as you're doing your job, secured ka. Meron kang contract. But we have contract. Pero ano siya non-binding. Same lang din naman sa local company. Pero mas iba talaga dito kasi nga US client sila. Magkakapwa tayong Filipino. So, syempre kami ay pabor sa atin para pare-pareho. Hindi para sa ibang lahi. Kasi tayo yung nag-render ng service Tayo nagpapakahirap. So, direct client and agency, pros and cons. Pag nahanap kayo ng direct client, kayo lang. Kailan dalawa yung nag-uusap. Direct client is always possible. So, makikita nyo yung direct client everywhere. So, Facebook, Upwork is like an agency as well. Every online jobs PA, Facebook pros ng direct client. So, of course, probably they will give you benefits, holidays like that, Medicard or Medicare, MaxiCare, so health cards. So, yeah, direct clients like that. You can work full-time with direct clients as well. So, agency, ang cons lagi. For others, agency is with deduction.